Hello everyone, welcome back to the S Kitchen. In today's episode, we're going to make a eggless sponge cake in an oven with only 7 ingredients, and you can see how moist and spongy it is. So let's begin. So the ingredients which you need are very simple: maida or refined flour, curd or yogurt, sugar, oil, baking soda, baking powder, and finally vanilla extract or essence. So let's begin. First, add in the curd or yogurt into a large mixing bowl and add in the sugar. Now give that all a good whisk. Now add in the baking powder and baking soda. Give that all a good mix. Now keep it aside for 5 to 6 minutes so that it rises and froths up. Now until then, let's sieve the refined flour or maida. Now let's bring it up. Now can you see how frothy? And now let's add in the oil. Add in the vanilla essence and mix that all in. Now add in the maida or refined flour which we had sieved. Now fold it in. Now using a tissue paper, grease it on all sides. Now let's keep it onto a baking tray and pour in all the batter. Scoop that all out. Pat it twice so that it removes the excess air bubbles. Now let's put it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's how easy it was. Do try it out and tell me how it goes for you in the comment section down below. If you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up.